In the dictionary, right next to fan-friendly fighter, if such a phrase of that sort was in the dictionary, we would see the picture of Aaron Pryor. He was a comet that shone brightly in the boxing firmament, and he gave boxing fans as much excitement as any fighter possibly could. And along with that fan-friendly style, there was enormous skill, great courage, and amazing fortitude as he fought the best in the junior welterweight or super lightweight division. You know, the 1980s may have been one of the best, if not the best, decades in the history of the sport of boxing. And Aaron Pryor got it off to a huge start, of course, along with the man we just saw, his rival in their two great fights, Alexis Arguello. And Aaron Pryor has stamped his name in the record books of boxing as one of the most exciting and one of the most memorable fighters of all time. Let's take a look at the Hawk. It's Hawk time. The Hawk, Aaron Pryor. To accept the award and induction for Alexis Arguello will be Alexis Arguello Jr. For Aaron Pryor, it will be Aaron Pryor Jr. And for the great Henry Armstrong, it will be his grandson, Edwin Scott.
Wow, thank you, Al, for that. Man, I get goosebumps thinking about Henry Armstrong. Imagine when there was only 8 world titles, only 8 divisions. He simultaneously held 3 of the belts. And as for the thin man, Alexis Arguello, God, I was lucky enough to actually shadow box in the same ring with him on Miami Beach. And I got a chance to do an entire show and in-ring with the late, great Hawk, Aaron Pryor. Please give it up one more time for Henry Armstrong, Alexis Arguello, and the great Aaron Pryor. Thank you, Al. I got goosebumps listening to that.